today as we go through these. First thing you need is an area big enough. These have to be wet, wet with water to clean the soldering iron. Okay, you see, both of you understand. Where'd the other one go? Why are you doing that? You want to do the poster. We want to run the soldering iron from one of those cords there. Extension, yes. You have a short extension and a long extension. You want to hook the short extension. You clean with a wet rag with water. Yes. Okay. Not a dry rag, a rag with water.
आप तो expert हैं आप देख लेंगे क्या करोगे.
Okay. That's the first thing. What I need is one of those green chairs to sit on, because you have to relax and sit down. Sit down. This photovoltaic cell has a place here and here we're going to put ribbons on. We have 2 ribbons sitting here. We have to make more. The ribbons are 15 centimeters long. By the way, those of you who speak English can translate it.
ये जो ribbon है ये 15 cm लंबे हैं.
Yeah, not about, exactly.
बिल्कुल 15 cm.
We've been having problems. They've been cutting the ribbons too long.
बल्कि मसले हो रहे हैं वो ज़्यादा लंबे कट रहे हैं.
That not only wastes ribbon, but it makes a problem later on. Now what we do is we tin this, and I'm using the side of this. You see, there's plenty of.
तो जो हम कर रहे हैं हम इसको tin कर रहे हैं.
And I put a very thin little bit. By the way, it doesn't have to be continuous. All we need is solder